In this tutorial, I'll provide a comprehensive guide on trading Solana meme coins using Pump Fund. This includes setting up your account, selecting the best coins to trade, and managing your investments. First, navigate to the Pump Fund website and connect your crypto wallet. To do this, click the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner. If you're using Solana, Phantom is a popular choice, though you can select any wallet you prefer. After connecting, customize your profile by adding a username, profile picture, and bio. Save the changes, and your account setup is complete. To trade, you'll need some Solana SOL in your wallet. If your wallet balance is low, transfer Solana from another wallet or exchange. Once funded, move to the terminal section on Pump Fund. Adjust the settings by sorting coins based on creation time and selecting descending order to display the newest coins first. While browsing, consider turning off animations for smoother navigation. Identifying promising meme coins requires an understanding of market trends and current memes. Platforms like Deck Screener can help you identify trending tokens in the past 24 hours. Look for coins linked to viral events or popular narratives, as these often gain traction. However, remember that success is not guaranteed. For example, you might find a low market cap coin like short GameStop, which aligns with ongoing trends. If it appeals to you, click the coin and review its details. To purchase, specify the amount of Solana you want to trade. Confirm the transaction in your wallet and complete the swap. Keep track of your purchased coins by viewing your profile. Monitor performance, market cap, and other metrics to decide when to sell. Navigate to the Sell tab, choose the amount to trade, and confirm the transaction. You can view all your transactions and holdings on your profile, ensuring you stay updated on your investments. Meme coin trading on Pump Fund is highly speculative with a low success rate. Most coins fail to gain traction, so start with small amounts and prioritize learning the market. Focus on coins with a strong narrative and demand, rather than randomly selecting tokens. With careful research, you might identify a profitable opportunity, though these are rare. Always invest cautiously and stay informed about market trends.